Recycling of paper, and reforestation. We have studied what deforestation is, and its causes. Yet, another cause is cutting down of trees for manufacturing paper. 17 fully grown trees are required to make 1 ton of paper. Hence, we should save paper. For example, if each student saves at least 1 sheet of paper in a day, many trees can be saved in a year. It may be noted that paper can be recycled 5 to 7 times for use. Also, there are no alternatives available for it. Thus, we should save, reuse, and recycle paper. By doing this, not only will trees be saved, but energy and water required for manufacturing paper will also be saved. Also, the amount of harmful chemicals used in paper making will be reduced. Now, let us find out if there is any permanent solution to the problem of deforestation. Yes, indeed. It is reforestation. Reforestation is restocking of the destroyed forest by planting new trees. Reforestation takes place naturally. If the forest area is left undisturbed, then it re-establishes itself in monsoon season. If the reforestation is manual, then new saplings should be of the same species as the existing trees, which are found in that forest. If we have to retain our green wealth for future generations, planting more trees is the only option. In India, the Forest Conservation Act aims at preservation and conservation of natural forests, and meeting the basic needs of the people living in or near the forests.